Have you ever wondered how a warehouse containing thousands or even millions of products knows exactly where every item is located? How do warehouse employees receive products, store them, pick customer orders, pack them, and ship them accurately every day? The system behind many of these activities is called a Warehouse Management System, or WMS. In this video, we will explain what a WMS is, how it works, and why it is important for modern warehouse operations. Welcome to Warehouse Tech, the channel where we explore warehouse management systems, automation, robotics, integrations, and the technologies transforming supply chain operations. Let's get started. A warehouse management system, commonly called a WMS, is software used to manage, control, and optimize daily warehouse operations. It gives warehouse teams real-time visibility into what inventory is available, where each item is stored, how products move through the warehouse, which customer orders need to be processed, which employees, equipment, or robots should perform each task. WMS connects digital inventory information with the physical activities happening inside the warehouse. Imagine a warehouse receiving 100 cartons of a product. Without a warehouse management system, employees may need to count the cartons manually, record the quantity on paper or in a spreadsheet, decide where the products should be stored, and then update the inventory records themselves. This process can be slow, inconsistent, and vulnerable to human error. With a WMS, the receiving process becomes structured, traceable, and much easier to control. First, the system confirms that the delivery is expected by checking it against a purchase order, transfer order, or advanced shipping notice. Next, the warehouse employee scans the product barcode and enters, or confirms, the quantity received. The WMS can also capture important product information such as lot numbers, serial numbers, expiration dates, or inventory condition. Based on predefined warehouse rules, the system then recommends the most suitable storage location. It may consider factors such as available space, product dimensions, storage requirements, and how frequently the product is picked. The WMS then creates a putaway task and assigns it to an available warehouse employee, forklift operator, or automated system. When the cartons arrive at the recommended location, the employee scans both the product and the location to confirm that the task has been completed correctly. The WMS immediately updates the inventory quantity and location. From that moment, the warehouse knows exactly what was received, how much was received, where the product is stored, and when it became available for future orders. Every movement is recorded, creating a complete and accurate inventory history from receiving to storage. Now that we understand what a warehouse management system is, let's look at the main warehouse processes it manages. A WMS supports the complete flow of goods through the warehouse, from the moment products arrive until customer orders are shipped. Receiving the first process is receiving. Receiving begins when products arrive at the warehouse from a supplier, manufacturing facility, or another distribution center. The WMS checks the physical delivery against an expected purchase order, transfer order, or advanced shipping notice. Warehouse employees can scan product barcodes, confirm the quantities received, and capture important information such as lot numbers, serial numbers, expiration dates, and inventory condition. If products are missing, damaged, or unexpected, the system can record the discrepancy for further investigation. Once the receiving process is complete, the WMS updates the inventory and prepares the products for putaway. Putaway is the process of moving received products from the receiving area to their assigned storage locations. Instead of allowing employees to choose locations manually, the WMS can recommend the most suitable location based on predefined warehouse rules. These rules may consider product dimensions, weight, available space, storage requirements, picking frequency, and compatibility with other products. For example, fast-moving products may be stored closer to the picking, packing, and shipping areas, while slower-moving products may be placed in reserve storage. The WMS creates a put-away task and directs an employee, forklift operator, or automated system to the recommended location. Once the product and location are scanned, the system confirms the movement and updates the inventory location in real time. Inventory management. After products are stored, the WMS continuously tracks what inventory is available and exactly where it is located. It can manage inventory at different levels, including warehouse, zone, aisle, location, pallet, carton, lot, and serial number. The system can also manage different inventory statuses, such as available, allocated, damaged, blocked, expired, or under inspection. To maintain accuracy, the WMS supports processes such as cycle counting, stock adjustments, inventory transfers, and location audits. This gives warehouse teams a reliable, real-time view of their inventory and reduces the risk of lost or misplaced products. Replenishment. Replenishment ensures that picking locations contain enough inventory to complete customer orders. When inventory in an active picking location falls below a predefined level, the WMS can automatically create a replenishment task. The task instructs an employee or automated system to move inventory from a reserve storage location to the picking area. Replenishment can be triggered by minimum stock levels, current order demand, planned picking waves, or expected future orders. This helps prevent picking delays and keeps order processing running smoothly. Picking is the process of collecting the correct products and quantities for customer orders. The WMS determines which orders are ready to be picked and organizes the work based on warehouse priorities and operational rules. Depending on the warehouse, it may support different picking methods, including discrete order picking, batch picking, zone picking, wave picking, cluster picking. The system can recommend an efficient picking sequence, direct the employee to the correct location, and verify each product through barcode scanning or other identification technologies. It can also assign picking work to warehouse employees, forklifts, conveyor systems, automated storage systems, or mobile robots. The objective is simple: pick the right product in the right quantity for the right order as efficiently as possible. Packing. After picking is complete, the products move to the packing station. The WMS verifies that the items and quantities match the customer order before the shipment is closed. It may recommend the most suitable carton, package, or shipping container based on the size, weight, and characteristics of the products. The system can also support packing instructions, cartonization, shipping labels, packing lists, compliance labels, and customer-specific documentation. In more advanced environments, the WMS may integrate with automated packing machines, weighing scales, dimensioning systems, and packaging optimization platforms. This helps reduce packing errors, control packaging costs, and ensure that orders are ready for transportation. Shipping is the final warehouse process before the order leaves the facility. The WMS confirms that all required products have been picked, packed, labeled, and staged correctly. It can group cartons or pallets by shipment, route, carrier, destination, or loading sequence. The system may also generate shipping documents and exchange information with transportation management systems, parcel carriers, freight providers, and customer platforms. When the shipment is loaded and confirmed, the WMS updates the order and inventory status. This provides a complete record of what was shipped when it left the warehouse and which customer or destination will receive it. Together, these processes create a connected flow through the warehouse: receiving, put away, inventory management, replenishment, picking, packing, and shipping. The WMS coordinates each step, records every movement, and helps the warehouse operate with greater accuracy, visibility, and efficiency. To summarize, a warehouse management system is the technology that controls and coordinates inventory movement inside a warehouse. It supports receiving, put-away, storage, replenishment, picking, packing, shipping, and inventory control. A properly implemented WMS can improve accuracy, productivity, visibility, and customer service. In the next video, we will compare WMS, ERP, TMS, and OMS and explain the role of each system in the supply chain. Subscribe to Warehouse Tech for more practical videos about warehouse management systems, automation, integration, robotics, and supply chain technology. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.